how to create partition in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you want to create partition in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your files, and under your files here, if you go with this PC, here you can see I have 3 disks, right, which is local disk C and volume D and volume E. But if you have only C and if you want to create spaces, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your Windows and then go with run, and under run you need to write a program which is disk mgmt.msc and hit the enter or go with OK. Now it will take you to the disk management section. Now here what you need to do is just go with your local disk C, right click on it, and then you will have shrink volume option. You just need to simply go with shrink volume. Once you click on shrink volume, it might take a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Don't think that it is stuck or anything, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you'll get this kind of interface which is shrink C. Now it will analyze the space that is left in your C drive and it will shrink it. So you can simply go with the amount of space that you would like to shrink. If you choose 5000, then it will be 5 GB. So you just need to simply go with 5000 if you want 5 GB, and you just need to simply go with shrink, which will be right here. Once you go with shrink, then you will have an option like this, but you will have unallocated written on it. If you have unallocated written on it, then you just need to simply right click on it and you will have an option of new simple volume. You just need to simply click on new simple volume and a new wizard will come, and that wizard will help you create a simple volume on a disk, and a simple volume can only be on a single disk. So we'll need to go with next, and it will ask you the format. You can simply select the NTFS format, or you can just go and leave it default, and you can click on next, and once it's finished, then you will have your new volume, which will be right here. In my case, it's new volume D, and this way you will have a new volume. So that's how you can create partition in your Windows 10 or 11, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.